My name is Lilly. Up to now, I've never really thought about how things got started back then. Here in this house. That was 50 years ago. Back then, Grandpa and his dad fixed refrigerators here. Refrigerators were still something special at the time. Not everybody had one. Our neighbor says Grandpa always had ambition, and that she knew early on that he was going to turn it into something big. I like it when Grandpa tells us stories. He's been doing it since I was a little girl. He's just very honest and quite humble. I think that helped him back then, to develop his idea and provide work to people here in the region. I think he always wanted to set his sights high, without forgetting where he came from. It's impressive to look at where we are today and how everything keeps growing. From a small electrical shop in Elgersweier to a company that operates worldwide. I think you could say his dream has come true. When you're here, you realize his vision is alive and will continue to live on. Grandpa, of course, would never have been able to do it all on his own. He always talks about Mr. Forte. Together, they developed the first big innovations. Those two have known each other for half an eternity. It's not my world, but I've always felt at home here, really. It's all just so familiar. There's so much to discover. Sometimes I look at the old stuff and wonder how he did it all. Building something that big. It's almost as if he knew exactly what people needed. What would be important in the future? I like to see how everything changes, how employees get involved, how they enjoy their work. The atmosphere is almost always good here. I think he brought it with him, that love for what he does. That's why he gained such recognition and won prizes. Dancing the tango is Grandpa's passion, and the dance has become our model for success. I never really understood that, but when you walk around the company, it becomes clear. No matter what happens, you need the support of others. You get through things together, hand in hand. Doing things on your own just doesn't work. Life is a tango. It goes up and down. He also talked a lot about Frank Rieger. He has been organizing the business for years and oversees production. I like him because he enjoys his work so much. Dad and his siblings are the same. I think they inherited a lot from Grandpa. Actually, we're all like this. We laugh a lot. Maybe that's the secret. Dad and I are a great team too. As Grandpa always says, it takes two to tango.